Hello everyone, welcome to my deep clean with me. We are going to get stuck into basically cleaning this house because it's messy. So I'm going to get a nice hot soapy cloth, fill the sink up with some nice hot water and start cleaning the washing machine. These hand wash bottles are from H&M and they're quite expensive for what they are. They are £15 each, but they're lovely bottles. They are like a green plastic, but like a very tough plastic, but they're made to look like glass, and all of this is waterproof. So you can wash the bottles and then put in your favourite hand wash into them, or wash up liquid, whatever you want to put in. I just like to put hand wash in them. But yeah, fill them up with hand wash and they just look aesthetically pleasing on your sink. I'm not going to throw them cloths away yet because the washing machine might need a second clean, so I will keep them until see how the washing machine looks after that wash, and if it's still a little bit ropey, I'll put it on another, I'll give it another clean and wipe out with the scourer and the cloth and put it on another clean. I don't know whether you're the same as me, but when you have the condenser, it leaves dust everywhere. Literally everywhere. There is dust all over that. That was all cleaned yesterday, and I had the tumble dryer on last night, drying washing. The condenser dryer creates a ton of dust, and I think when I do replace this tumble dryer, because it's making funny little knocking noises lately, and I won't leave it unattended, I literally stand out here when it's on, but it makes funny little noises. So when I replace it, I'm actually considering having a vented tumble dryer and having it vented out into the garden, because the dust is madness. I mean, I do use the tumble dryer every day, but it creates an incredible amount of dust. So I will be going to a vented tumble dryer when this one eventually packs in, and taking a nice clean cloth and still using the ginger twist. I'm gonna give this a nice little wipe over.
Million thoughts are spinning around in my head. My pulse holds it down, 'cause I'm almost there. Now I see you through the window and I'm walking on it, but I won't let you know. And I know how it goes. It's supposed to feel incredible. It's too bad you had to leave. Please come back now, baby. Where were we? Said you changed in a lie. Got the memory still popping up. Show me your heart, I'll show you mine. You go first, I rewind. You're my soul, my heart, my beautiful. You're my first, my last, my wonderwall. And I just can't seem to get enough. It's because I love you most of all. Million thoughts are flying from my head. Let's kiss them away and stay in my bed. Just to know that you are mine, I am floating on it, and I wanna let this show. But I know how this goes. It's supposed to feel incredible. We had changed, but not that much. Guess our memories are catching up. You're my soul, my heart, my beautiful. You're my first, my last, my wonderwall. And I just can't seem to get enough. It's because I love you most of all.
I'm gonna leave doing the fridge, and instead of cleaning the fridge because it's already clean, and I can do that when obviously I've eaten a little bit more food out of the fridge, I'm gonna clean the cabinets instead. And I've always used the Mr. Sheen Express Mist Clean and Dust for a smear-free surface. I've used this since the kitchen was fitted, and my kitchen is 4 years old. Oh my gosh. My kitchen is nearly 4 years old. Wow. Doesn't feel like it. Only feels like yesterday when I've had it fitted, but yeah, it's 4 years old. Anyway, I'm going to clean the cabinets with this, give the kitchen a nice clean out the toaster, and then I did clean the dishwasher. I cleaned the dishwasher about a week ago, and I don't know whether I filmed that. I didn't film it, and I used the cleaner that I purchased from Cherries, and it was absolutely amazing. The dishwasher smelled lovely and has smelled lovely since. So I'm not going to do the dishwasher. So it's basically clean the kitchen.
I see you in my thoughts and in my dreams. When I'm awake, you're almost next to me. When we're apart, you want, you are free. The moonlight's whispering. Flesh and flesh. Take whatever that you want. Flesh and flesh. Sing your pretty words into my ear, knowing exactly what I wanna hear. For one night only, naked in your arms, I'll do my part if you do yours. So let's flesh attend to flesh. Come alive, come alive. Earth is crying sleep, earth is crying sleep. Take whatever that you want, you are free. The moonlight's whispering. Flesh and flesh. Take whatever that you want. Flesh and flesh. Oh, so let's flesh and flesh. Come alive.
I was actually listening to music in this part of the video, so I didn't talk much, so I thought I'd best do a voiceover for this bit to let you know that I have my cleaning playlist on Spotify, which is all the music that I listen to when I'm cleaning up to get me in the mood to clean and motivate me. So if you want to have a little listen, and I'll link it in the description box down below for you to enjoy while you do your cleaning up, and I'm pretty sure if it motivates me, then it's really going to motivate you too.
Taking just be. Don't take it. Taking just don't be. And live my life. Don't take it personal. I ain't lying. I ain't hiding. I've been grinding, multiplying. I've been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up, meditating and taking time away. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning. I'm writing rhymes in the kitchen, soaking in moments we live in. Yeah, you got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out to be and live my life. Hey. Taking just don't be and live my life. Don't take it personal. We just building. It's my season. Lay foundation. Make a name for generations. Please the maker. Then take a break or a little vacation and chasing blues away. Hey, hey. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning or look like you always be working, soaking the moments you live in. Yeah, you got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Take hanging from your body.